What's up, guys? It is Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2010 Yamaha Vstar 650. Let's give this thing a quick walk around. This rear tire is looking to be in pretty good shape. Got lots of life left on it. Probably many riding season left to go on that bike. On that tire, I mean. Here in the back fender, we have a small chip right here, my pointer finger, just above the tail light. We got a few marks here on the back fender. Looks like there's either supposed to be a seat on here, or there definitely was a seat on here at one time. As you can see, the mounting screw there is exposed, and there's some scratching around that. And there's some other marks on here that kind of lead me to believe there was a seat. Other than that, you got the turn signals and the tail light, license plate mount. The exhaust is factory, and got some markings here on top, like some bluing of some kind. Not really sure what caused that, because the bottom one is super clean and looks really nice. Got the passenger peg on here for that aforementioned previously present passenger seat. The side cover's in pretty good shape. There's some light marks up here in the paint a little bit. Not even in the paint, in the clear coat. And there's some right here just behind the exhaust. I'm not really sure what would have caused that. It'd be tough to get something in there. All the shields are there. On the exhaust, you can see, I got the rider peg, got the rear brake. Everything in here in the engine bay looks to be pretty good shape. Not a ton of miles on this bike, and it was fairly well taken care of, it looks like. Come up here in the front. Got the frame there, and then coming down on the fork tubes. Looks like everything is looking good. A little bit of road dirt there on the inside of that fork tube, but no rust, no pitting, none of that. And then here on the front fender, we have some light marks right here and right here. And other than that, this front fender is looking pretty good. You got like one little smudge there. They're not scratches, they're just like dirt marks. Got a lot of life on this front tire again. Just like the back tire, lots of life left on there. We saw the rotors on this side, just the one that's a single rotor. One of the ways you know it's a 650. And this fork tube is also looking really good. No rust or pitting or anything. This mark looks like from like an old inspection sticker or something. Nothing, no marks that would concern me about wear. On the tank here, again, we got a little bit of dirt. It's coming off right there. It's not scratches, not dings, not dents or anything like that. Got this cool pink outline on the logo, which I'm sure you guys are stoked about. Got the rider peg, shift knob. Do not miss out on the test drive as Sean does of this bike. It's got like I said, it's not got a lot of miles on it, but it'd be a great beginner bike, great place to start. It's very light. Great bike for someone who doesn't want a big, giant, heavy bike. There is some scratching here. This is right behind the driver's seat. Again, I'm not really sure what caused that, but that is scratched. That is in the paint. It's shaft driven, as you can see. Coming back here to the rear tire, shaft driven, low maintenance. Got the passenger peg on this side. And then coming up over the rear fender, there's the seat. Got this nice comfy seat. Coming up over the top of the tank. There's not many marks up here on top of the tank as there were on the side. As you can see, there is 3,185 miles on this bike. Got the controls on this side, coming across the bars. Controls on this side and mirror. And that's the bike. Like I said, guys, this is a 2010 Yamaha Vstar 650. Do not miss out on this thing. It's not going to last long. Thanks for watching.